Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money off hold on eBay, or how you can release hold on eBay early. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys my experience. Just keep in mind that when you are a new seller, like, eBay will hold your money. The reason for that is you want to protect the platform, okay? Because there are like some people who like sell things, they don't ship the product, and just withdraw the money to their bank account, and they don't ship the product. Okay, so that's exactly the reason why eBay doesn't allow you guys to take the money immediately if you are a new seller. Okay, just in my case here, this is like I have like multiple eBay accounts, and this is just one of them. As you can see, I paid and I clicked here. I'm going to click here on paid and shipped the products that I already have shipped. By the way, I'm doing drop shipping, guys. I'm not selling things that I have. I'm just drop ship from AliExpress. Okay, so anyway, so as you can see, I have uploaded the tracking number, and after I uploaded the tracking number, it shows that the product has been delivered. I received my funds. Okay, so you just need to like add a valid tracking number to your order, and if it says delivered, the tracking number shows that the item has been delivered to the customer, then the money will be released to you, just like me, as you can see here. Now if I click here, I will be able to see the funds here. As you can see, what buyer paid, which is like $11. This order is complete. We have made the funds available for payouts. Now this is a new eBay account, but because the tracking number shows delivery, they have released the money. Also, like, the customer here has left a positive feedback for the store. Okay, so what I learned, because I have like multiple stores, my other stores, I don't have a problem with this because they release payments immediately to me, is because I add the tracking numbers in time. Okay, and I sold over $200 in other stores. Like, when you sell over $200 and 20 products, then the problem will be solved. Like, I mean, eBay will not hold your money anymore. So you just need to keep selling. And even if eBay holds your money, I understand this is really bad because you want to use that money to ship the product for the shipping price or whatever. But I understand that, guys. It's okay, just keep selling and use your own money, because your money is safe on eBay, so you don't really need to worry about this. Okay, see, by the way, guys, I am I do drop shipping from AliExpress to eBay. If you have any questions or about e-commerce on general, or this video you have a question about eBay holds the money, why eBay holds them, or any question about eBay holds, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, make sure to drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.